In this video, you will learn how to type 1 by 4 in a Microsoft Word document using a simple and quick method. This tutorial is perfect for beginners and anyone working with fractions and words. So let's get started. So first head to the insert on the top menu bar and on the right side, you will see that equation. You need to click on that and you will see that a box over here, and then head to the fraction and click on that, and under the fraction you will see that some stacked fractions. This is the skewed fraction, and this is the linear fraction, and this is the small fraction. So it's up to you which one you want to use. So for this I'm selecting the skewed fraction. Click in the above box, type 1, and click in that second box and type 4, and click outside the box, and here it is. So again go to the insert and go to the equation, and now go to the fraction, and this time I'm selecting this stacked fraction, and now type 1 and 4 and click inside the document. So here in this way you can easily type 1 by 4 in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.